Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can quickly complete the admin chest tasks in Plants vs. Brainrot. So, he's trying to give me plants. Wait, basically, just plant strawberries, because I don't really need this, and I'm too lazy to fuse any other plant. And you're just going to basically fuse the strawberry and the orangutini and necessini with the strawberry, and then you'll be able to fuse 5 of these in no time, because the orangutan is like a rare brain rot and a strawberry is very hard to get the seed. Did I say hard or easy? Yeah, it's very easy to get the seed. So basically you're just going to want to fuse the both of them instead, and it's just going to be super easy to complete the admin chest. The rest, you just need to play this game for 5 hours, and then you'll need to just buy a lot of gear. So every time the gear restocks, you just need to buy it. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.